The iPhone 18 Pro might get its biggest camera upgrade yet, but not because of hardware, because of software. Apple is reportedly trying to bring pro-level camera features into the default camera app. And if this happens, you may not need third-party apps anymore. What's happening? According to reports, Apple explored acquiring Lux Optics. They are the team behind Halide. The deal did not go through, but the message is clear. Apple wants to upgrade its camera software in a serious way. Why this matters? Right now, the iPhone camera is powerful, but limited. If you want full control, you leave the default app. You go to apps like Halide. Why? Because they give you manual focus, exposure control, raw shooting, better image control. Apple's default camera app still feels basic for advanced users. Apple is realizing something important. Hardware is no longer the problem. Software is. The iPhone 18 Pro is expected to have even better camera hardware, but without better controls, that power is wasted. So Apple is shifting focus from easy point and shoot to professional control when you need it. What could change? Make it exciting but grounded. If Apple follows this direction, you could see manual focus built in, full exposure control, advanced RAW capture, long exposure modes, better video controls. This turns the iPhone into a real camera tool, not just a casual shooter, hidden signal. Here's where it gets interesting. Sebastian DeWitt now works at Apple. That is not random. That is experience moving inside the company, which means ideas from Halide could show up in iOS. What this means for users? If Apple gets this right, you won't need extra apps. Everything will be inside the camera app. Simple when you want it, powerful when you need it. That's a big shift. This is not confirmed yet, but the direction is obvious. Apple is moving from best easy camera to best camera, period. If they execute well, the iPhone 18 Pro could lead again.